Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another product from Snapin, and this is the oregano seasoning. So this is the oregano pizza seasoning from Snapin, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging of it. So generally earlier I used to buy those glass bottles of oregano pizza seasoning, and what used to happen is I should not make it that often, right? I should not use it that often, and it used to get into like a clumped up ball, and then later I had to throw it. And then when I came across this packet of the Snapin Oregano Seasoning, which comes in individual smaller packets inside, like you get with the pizza, like a little bigger size, but similar to something that you'd get with a pizza when you order pizza. So that's why I love this pack, and this is, I think, my fourth or fifth pack of Snapin Oregano Seasoning that I bought. And today we are going to review this. So the best part is of this is the packaging itself. So guys, let's start off with the packaging. First of all, it comes in this green and yellow packaging right here, which shows that it's an oregano. Generally oregano packaging comes in green color. So here we can see Snapin branding right on top. It says oregano pizza seasoning right here. Illustration of a pizza shown here. Sprinkle on pizza, it says. 10 sachets inside. So you get 10 sachets of oregano inside. It's a pure vegetarian product. Okay, moving on to the back. Oregano pizza seasoning. When the herby fragrance of basil and oregano meets the contrasting flavors of garlic, chili flakes, and black pepper, every slice will turn up the taste. Now let's look at what are the ingredients of this oregano pizza seasoning mix. First of all, the main ingredient is common salt. Then there's a garlic powder, there's oregano, there's black pepper, basil, chili, anti-caking agents along with that. Nutritional information per 100 grams. You never have 100 grams of it. But yeah, there's nutritional information given per 100 grams. So 220 kcals of energy, which is basically your calories, 9.4 grams of protein, carbs are 40.7 grams, total fats are 2.2 grams, saturated fats are 0.8 grams. Yeah. Moving on to the net quantity is 50 grams, so you get 5 gram each packet. So since you get 10 sachets, each of them are 5 grams each. This total net weight is 50 grams, and the MRP of it is rupees 60, which is a very good price for it. So guys, this Snapin Oregano Pizza Seasoning sachets are available online on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I left a link in the description below, so do check it out from there. Now let me just go ahead and open the main packaging to show you all individual packets that come inside. So I'm just going to tear this open. Very easy to tear. There again a place right here which you need to tear. So you can easily tear it open, and inside it you get simple Snapin packets right here. So earlier when I bought it, it used to come in like it used to have again green and yellow color packaging inside. Now they have changed the packaging to be a simple silver foil color right here. And what does it say? It says Snapin sprinkle karo, share karo. 5 gram each packets. You get 10 individual sachets of this. So you can see this. There's nothing much written on this. This package shall not be sold without an outer package. Refer to outer package for all the labeling declarations. So you get 10 individual packs in this. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 individual packs of 5 grams each, which makes it up to 50 grams of Snapin oregano seasoning mix that you get. So wonderful pack for just rupees 60. So that makes it rupees 6 per pack for you, which is a good deal, I feel, rather than buying a big bottle which would cost you like 90 to 150 rupees for a bottle and then it gets spoiled. This is a better choice to go for, because you ain't going to use that much oregano at one time. So these individual packs really are good to use and really keep it fresh for longer. So guys, that was my review about the Snapin oregano mix, and it tastes amazing. I have been using it for quite some time. Very versatile product. Not only sprinkle on pizza and stuff, I also use it in like marinating my chicken for tandooris and stuff as well. I marinated, I sprinkle over it, making Italian pizza, like pizza, pasta, anything and everything. You can use it as a nice seasoning hub, right? So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.